Welcome back, True Seeker. Anderson Pooper Scooper getting us up to date on the latest. It's funny how he never points out the numerology rituals as he reports them. So again, today's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. Of course, 5-4 is that big number of the Jesuits. Again, the headquarters at the Church of the Jesu, Building 54. Pretty much everything about the Jesuit history is 54. And as we know, they stand behind pretty much all these wars happening in the world, as I educate about day after day. Again, the Jesuits gave us the language and the calendar. But yeah, Anderson Pooper Scooper just reported that today, Iran and the U.S. traded shots testing the ceasefire. Now, technically, if you shoot at each other, the ceasefire is over. And Pooper Scooper's been saying, we're just not so sure, though, if the ceasefire is over. It's like, what is this? Is news for dummies? If they shot at each other, surely the ceasefire is over. But then what makes it all the more comical is the numerology path for today is 19. You get that by just adding the date digit by digit. It's May 4th, 2026. 5/4/2026. So 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 6 is 19. Sorry, I got sweet girl over here. Sweet girl, you got that math? You got it down, sweet girl? Oh, yeah. So yeah, 19, and guess how many missiles they're saying that Iran fired at the U.S. today? Yeah, just the same amount as those supposed hijackers where all they could find of evidence for on 9/11 were the paper passports, all 19 paper passports. Of course, as we know, chaos equals 19, and the motto is order out of chaos. But yeah, on this 19 date numerology, 19 missiles fired, testing the ceasefire. And then the other big story is you can also write today's date 4/5 rather than 5/4. Remember, the Jesuit logo has the letters IHS, which add up to 45, just like the word oil. And they're saying in the United Arab Emirates today, the oil refinery was caught on fire after a drone attack. And I mean, just day after day, you guys, news by the numbers. Got to attack the oil refinery on the 4/5 date. The ceasefire needs to be tested. Trump, puppet Trump, Jesuit educated at Fordham, has to come out with more big talk. If they attack our ships, we'll wipe Iran off the face of the earth. It just got it so tired and played out, man. But yeah, just more proof of who runs the show. Again, you guys, Jesuit order in Gematria. Come here, sweet girl. Come here. Come here. Come here, big mama. Again, in Gematria, Jesuit order equates to 54. You know, their first university here in the U.S., Georgetown, was founded by 54-year-old John Carroll, whose name also equals 54. At their peak, they had 54 universities, and on and on and on. And go watch They Live with Roddy Piper. Hokey movie, but of course, Cable 54 runs the world. It's the enemy of the world, Cable 54. And Roddy Piper did tweet out on the anniversary of the Jesuits being recognized by Rome that the movie was a documentary. So, yeah. Don't forget who runs it. It's those pesky Jesuits. Undeniably. All right, True Seeker. Until next time, over and out. Sweet girl, you want to say goodbye? You want to say bye-bye? Want to say bye-bye? Bye. 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 All right, True Seeker. Bye. Have a good night.